how to use Glam app. So I will just try to upgrade in Glam app. So here is the app. So it's called Glam and it's a app to perfect your look, to do face scans, and also it's kind of looks maxing app for girls mostly. There are apps for guys like UMax or LooksMax AI, where you can just scan your face and get some face recommendations. So yeah, this is this similar app, but just for women, and yeah, pretty cool. So it's a personal AI beauty consultant. So you use your color analysis feature, which will help you to find your color season and your perfect makeup colors. Our fashion analysis scan will help you find your face shape, eye shape, skin tone, and all your facial features. Step-by-step makeup routines and product recommendations, and that's it. So, but basically, this is not official like medical advice. All these recommendations should only be viewed as suggestions. These are not like official recommendations, so you obviously should consult with a professional. And yes, here is the app. You're just going here, and then you need to upload your photo and start the scan. So as you can see, here is color analysis, and then find your color season. There is glow up guide, and there is facial analysis where you can find out your face shape. So that's the idea here. And then also, if you wanna, you can also just share your invite code, and if you invite 3 people, you can use the scan for free. But let's just try it out. So here I just wanna show you how it looks like, and so you make a decision if you wanna pay for it or not. I will just upload some template photo, and then here it is. It starts analyzing. And then, again, if you want to invite 3 friends, you can just use here. So feel free to, use my code, and then I will do more tutorials for you. So here, if you want to view results, that's what you have. Actually, a nice little trick for you, that if you try to upgrade the first time, you will see prices like $13 or $6 or $5. $9. But then if you just close this upgrade screen, you will see a 50% discount. So just try that. So here, if you have 4 scans weekly, now I upgraded, and let's see what will happen actually. It's just as finalizing your results, and then you can see your undertone, you can see your face shape, skin tone, and contrast. And then your season, you're a true spring. True spring is a warm and bright, featuring vibrant yet balanced colors. It radiates warmth, resembling the freshness of a blossoming spring season. You can see a color palette, like this is mostly for girls. You can see your colors. You can also see all the like celebrities, and then you can see which colors to avoid. And then also you can just tap and share it on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. So yeah, that's the idea. So that's how you view results, and then you can just go and delete the scan. So this here we did like color analysis. So if you want to upgrade, that's just what you will see here, and you just decide if it's worth it or not. Again, you can get this 50% deal just for the first week, but then your subscription will continue, and then basically, subscription will continue with a more expensive price. So then if you want to, then there is a glow up guide. Then choose your desired look for glow up. So, and then again, just upload a selfie. And then view results.